Hello everyone, today we are going to show a special video on while loop. Before this tutorial we have discussed about the for loop. Today I will discuss about the while loop and nested while loops. So while loop is a basic structure in if some condition is true in while and then execute some statement or some operations. If you use this for while loop in nested successor while in while, then it called nested while loops. So we are going forward to the tutorial. This is the loop. If I equal 1 and while I is less than 10, this is the structure of while in Python, and then print I and increase I variable, else something, print something. So here initialization of I is 1 and sets the condition while I is less than 6, then print something and increase the loop. Here, so I is 1, then I is less than 6, then print 1. I increase 2 is less than 6. So gradually it will print the value of I until 5 or less than 6. If the condition false, then it will print I is no longer less than 6. So we can run this program, initializing, and this is the sequence, and the last, when 6 is less than 6, condition false, then it will print this. We can also use this condition 15 and I increase to 2, then print something. Yes, this print until 14 or less than 15 and increase with value 2. I is I. Actually its works looks like I equal I plus 2. So then, as previous lecture I have made a video looks like how nested loops works in the nested loop. So in this tutorial, while is called nested while loop. We have to run two loops using two initialization of variable in the iteration. First of all, I equal 1 and j equal 5, the two initialization. For the first loop, I is less than 4 and second loop j is less than 8. So go for the second loop and print I and j and increase the j value and repeatedly print the same thing. So I equal 1 and I equal 1 and j equal 5. So firstly print 1 5 and increase the j plus 1, so j will be 6 is less than 8, so it will print 1 6 and j will increase by 1, that will be 7 is less than 8, that will print 1 7. After this, if increase j, that will be j equal 8 and j is less than 8 or 8 is not less than 8, that will not print. So increase the value of I, increase. So it will, if j condition false, 8 is less than 8, then it will print goodbye. So everyone, if you like my video on my channel, then subscribe on my channel to get notification for new videos, and hope we will discuss about machine learning for image processing, deep learning for image processing, and also we will discuss most trending research work with our tutorial, coding and research paper help. So stay connected, stay subscribed, stay tuned. Thank you everyone to watch my video.